Okay folks, let me give you a tour of this building they call the Pheonix. You have to see that we're in the middle of the desert to really appreciate what Earthships are all about. Okay, so the thing about Earthships is they use trash to build them, right? So here's a perfect example of a aluminum can that's used as a brick. Here's bottles they use as bricks as well. This one has a beautiful courtyard. This one was built as an experiment to demonstrate everything that was possible with this. So you can see the garbage cans, the glass bottles. We'll skip over, don't look at the barbecue unless you're doing it for veggies. Okay, this entire front portion of the building is a greenhouse. The roof is designed to catch water, and that is what you're seeing right there. That is where the water flows down into a pipe and into reservoirs or cisterns that are probably located somewhere here in the front. From there, that's where you get the water from rain collection to do this. So in the middle of the desert, they're growing, those look like little tangerines, bananas. They have some koi. They got birds flying around in here, just saw them, the parakeets. So essentially, most of what you're seeing in here is decorative, but it can certainly all be food. You can grow nothing but food. All right, so coming through. Let's see, I might have to go out. I went the long way because I'm going to take you through the house. There I am. Excuse me, miss. Yeah. Don't be startled. I'm just going to take a quick video real quick. Just want to show them the bottles used in the shower surround and the bathtub. You see the greenhouse. Now, the incredible thing about Earthships is that they maintain the temperature of the ground, which is a 58-degree constant. So they're built up and bermed in the back. It's a very luxurious one, as you can see. I spent a lot of money on making this beautiful. You don't have to spend that much money to get the systems. When you come into the inside of the house, there is also greenhouse area. Now, what's important to note is that all the green areas are filters for the gray water systems that come from the sinks. Okay, so water comes in from the sinks and then it's used. Well, this is actually considered already gray water because there's probably food. This will go directly into the black water treatment. But everything that comes from the showers and the sinks for washing, like dish clothes and what have you, are filtered through the planters, and that's what you use to keep everything water.
So we have four.
This is the living room. We have a water feature in here that they do, which is a waterfall with a fireplace, in this case a propane burner. We have an Emily here. So all this in the middle of the desert, just from rain collection. All the electricity is solar powered, all of it. This is an extra bedroom. Really, to me, it's more kind of like a living room area, but they have, you can pause that, give you some of the principles. Solar, wind, and electricity. This will show you how the planners are working. Just go ahead and pause that, take a look at it. The back of the building shows you the construction that they use with tires for a couple reasons. Well, one of it's to use the trash as a construction material. Compacted, they give you what's called a thermal mass, so it retains the temperature of the ground. So this is all cooling the building, this whole breezeway. You can see how the whole building is built with cans and bottles, which reduces the cost of building considerably. Look at this wall, this is incredible. This is done with plastic bottles. And if you ever looked at the bottom of a plastic bottle, you'll see the little designs on them, so look how pretty that looks. I'm going to take you into the master bedroom here in a second. So first, look at this. So all, again, bottles that when lit up and hit with the sun, they look like gems. You can imagine the sun coming in the morning here must be absolutely beautiful. From what I understand, the blue bottles are really hard to get a hold of, so those are some of the details here. And the master bedroom,
Aqui no Earthship,
it has
uma noite aqui é $400.
a ciumara. The ciumara doesn't come with the
How are
building.
you? Good?
Doing good, ciumara.
Estamos aqui com estudantes, grupo, para podermos
Your own private
estudar toda a parte do
balcony or closed area with a little bit of greenhouse and very exuberant Pheonix motif. And in this room, it almost looks like they did kind of like a
Aqui
grotto,
close. E toda a parte.
which is very cool down here. The temperature. This is the closet.
Yeah.
Underneath the room. I think this is where I would have my bedroom. It is so cool down here, it's not even funny. And there is absolutely no air conditioning in this building. It is zero HVAC. The only thing they do here is control temperature and moisture through vents. And I'll look for those in a second. We can look at how they draw cold air in through the building. In fact, let me do that.
Garrafas plásticas. E garrafas
Did anybody find the cooling tubes?
que servem
There's not any.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
because this was built before we
servem
incorporated cooling tubes.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you could
yeah.
install them, right?
Yeah. Well,
It'd be a
that'd be a
process.
lot. Yeah.
It'd be a
It'd
process.
be a huge process.
I think I would do it like they do the old mines. You dig a little bit and you build support, and you dig a little bit and build support.
That makes sense. But you'd have to dig through that tire wall. How do you do that? That's the hard part. Like dirt.
Sawzall. I've cut the bands
Yeah, that's a great idea.
and then just slowly eat my way through, painstakingly, because I know that would be a very
That would be
tall order. But if there's anybody that can do it, I can do it.
Yeah, they do a lot of them, especially the nightly rentals, just because like.
All right. Well, that, folks, is a very beautiful and luxurious Pheonix. Look, what do we have here? We have a Trish. And we have a Karam. They don't come standard with the building.
This is amazing right here.
You can see her little turtles.
You got turtles?